Do you want to make an easy crepe papier flower? Then you just need to take tools like scissors, glue, and some pencil, and that's it. You just fold it in the half, check how big is the cup, and then do it like maybe 4 times till the end. When you have folded it, you can also take and do that at least 3 times, so it will make you 30 circles and it will be easier and save you a lot of time. Then when you have done it, just cut where you see that circle, and that's really easy as well. It will save you so much time because you will not have to do it all the time, just 3 times. When you have done it, you will have around 30 circles. You should have around 30 circles. Now you take the glass cap. When you have taken the glass cap, you take 1 circle and you make it like a petal. If you see the lines are going up, that means vertical. So you make it like you stretch it horizontally, so you will have more like a petal. Put the first petal without the glue, then take the glue next time, and when you open the glue, you just glue it half, not all. Glue half of the circle and put on that half of the circle another petal, that is the circle. Repeat this until you will reach the end of the glass. Please don't glue the glass. We have reached the line where you can see a glass a bit. Please don't glue there, just glue both sides of the petals and the circles and then glue over it, and please leave that glass without glue.